A stroll down Grant Street will take you to Chinatown's tourist shops, offering all kinds of souvenirs from t-shirts and jewelry to lucky bamboo shoots and garden statues. The street has so many restaurants and tea shops that you may have a hard time deciding which one to go to. Well, here's a hint. If you're looking for a more authentic restaurant, look inside and see who's eating there. If it's mostly Chinese people, then that's the one I recommend. It's really as simple as that. San Francisco's Chinatown is the largest Chinese district outside of Asia and is the oldest such district in North America. The Chinese came to San Francisco during the height of the California gold rush. Hundreds of thousands of immigrants came from China and were desperate to find jobs. The financial pressure meant they worked longer hours with reduced wages and fewer days off. This became a threat to immigrants from other countries who felt the Chinese were squeezing them out of their jobs. With the prejudices rising, it became dangerous for the Chinese to venture outside of Chinatown. So, to make the most of their 6 blocks, a maze of alleyways were created. The most well-known is Ross Alley, where the last remaining fortune cookie company stands. Here you can see the cookies being folded by hand. You can also write your own fortune and have it placed inside, hot off the metal plates. Or, here's a thought, have an engagement ring placed inside for the ultimate San Francisco proposal. If you want to step off the touristy area, go up 1 block to Stockton Street. Here you'll see the more authentic Chinese shops. Everything from produce stands and dried herbs to dried fish markets and live fish markets. At the dried fish markets, you'll see everything from dried squid and cuttlefish to all sorts and sizes of dried shrimp and prawns, fish from the tiniest minnows and sardines, all the way to as large as a salmon. If you're lucky enough to be here in January or February, you'll have to check out the Chinese New Year festivities. Fireworks and firecrackers light up the streets while colorful lions and dragons dance to the beat of bongs and drums. The Chinese New Year is the most important holiday in China and is tied to the Chinese lunar calendar. It typically begins with the new moon between January and February. Each new year is marked by the characteristics of one of the 12 zodiac animals. Thus, every 12 years, your horoscope animal will come around. My zodiac animal is the horse. What's yours? The Chinese New Year Parade is named one of the top 10 parades in the whole world. The floats are lit up and gorgeous, and the costumes are elaborate. You'll be entertained by acrobatics and martial artists. The parade is long, but you'll definitely want to stay to the end to see the 268-foot golden dragon. It takes over 100 men and women just to carry this along the parade route. So if you want to get away to somewhere different and exotic, but don't want to leave the country, check out San Francisco's Chinatown, and you'll undoubtedly be amazed by what you see. Thank you for watching. For more travel and woodworking videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.